Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know you're used to seeing faith-based videos because I love my Jesus, hallelujah. But today I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I love all things beauty, if you know me or if you don't know me. I love hair, I love makeup, I love wigs, I love all of that. I love facial products, I love hair products, I love trying new things. And so I tried a DIY face facial wash. And I saw someone on YouTube try it, and I was like, maybe I should try it. And she used Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, which I've used before, but I just never thought about making a face wash out of it. And so I tried it. I loved it. I'm doing it again, and I thought I'd share it with my YouTube family and my Facebook family, just so you can try it too and see if you like it. And you know what? It's so much cheaper. It doesn't have a lot of crap in there, which I don't like. I don't like a lot of junk in my soaps. I don't like a lot of junk in my food. And so, same with my face, I don't like a lot of products. And I just feel like, even though it may have some healthy stuff in there, there's like 50 million other things that are added in that tea tree oil face wash. And so I try to make sure, my stuff is as clean and as pure as possible. So that's why I'm on this whole natural DIY type of stuff. Especially when it comes to my face. We're getting there with the makeup. I'm trying different stuff. But in any case, today we're focusing on the face wash. And again, I use Dr. Bronner's Castile Pure Soap. And you can do so many other things with this soap. But today we'll focus on the face wash. I've actually done some other things with this soap as well. And I'll share that with you. But again, today you're going to get the face wash. So check it out. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, like, leave a comment, subscribe. And I love you all. Bye-bye.
Okay, so here's what you need to get started. I'm using Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, which I purchased the baby scent, but there are other options you can choose from, including the unscented kind. You will need an empty soap dispenser. I also added a little bit of tea tree oil, which is great for acne. And I'm using hot water to mix everything together. And lastly, 1 tablespoon for measuring. So let's go ahead and mix everything together. Now, I do want to let you know that everything you see here, I did purchase off of Amazon. So I will be including it in the description box for your reference. Now, I am using 3 tablespoons of soap. I like my soap really foamy, which is why I use 3 tablespoons. But if you want it less soapy, I do encourage you to use less of it. And so next I'm pouring about a 1/3 cup of hot water, and I encourage you to use a little bit more or a little bit less, but I would start with less first just to make sure it doesn't get too soapy. And then I am adding about 5 drops of tea tree oil. You can substitute tea tree oil with any other light oil like jojoba, almond, or even vitamin E oil, but today I am just using tea tree oil. Okay, so I'm done mixing everything together. So I'm going to shake everything all up just to make sure it gets really foamy. And there you have it. A nice foamy facial wash without all the other chemicals.